Hey everybody, I just found this website called Give Kits. It's really cool. You order for first responders, um, firefighters, nurses, police officers. It could be, EMS, maybe they're short, whatever. It's a pandemic kit. It has 5K95 masks, 5 sets of gloves, and 5 packets of hand sanitizer. It's $15. Looks like it's $5 to ship. It has the EIN number you'll see down here at the bottom, and it's a non-profit. It looks legit. They have social media. I'm going to order a couple kits and send them off. I just discovered this. I'm not sure who the parent company is. There's a video as well. And I think it's, an awesome thing here, especially in a time of need for our first responders. So just check it out. Thanks.